Hello, gagayam! Ayan! Since namimiss po namin kumain sa boiling crab, gagawa kami ng homemade boiling crab. Okay? So, ang una po natin kailangan ay Saturain's crab boil, lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, shrimp and crab boil, paprika, garlic salt, and cayenne pepper. Okay? And babalik kami kapag hahaluin na po natin lahat ang ingredients doon sa pot. Stay tuned! Alright, so we're back. We're gonna put all the cayenne peppers and different pampalasas. Okay, so what's that, Daddy?
This is garlic salt.
Garlic salt daw yung nilalagay. Okay.
Paprika.
Then paprika. Okay. Sabihin na lang natin yung paprika is about a spoon. Then yung lemon
Pepper.
Lemon pepper. Okay. Sabihin na natin a spoon.
Pepper.
Then cayenne pepper. Another spoon. Kung konti lang po yung seafood, I would recommend na tablespoon po. Since medyo marami-rami itong gagawin namin, kaya ginawang 1 spoon each. What else do you need? Do you know?
No, this is gonna be seasoned to taste now. That's all it is.
How about that?
All day.
Okay, and then yung famous po na Old Bay, which is about 1 spoon din po, okay? Kasi yung Old Bay po ang talagang magpapalasa niyan nung parang tinatawag nating restaurant style. Okay. Ayan. So, lalagyan naman uli ni husband ng butter. Okay, dahil kulang. Okay. Tulad ng sabi ni husband ko, wag po mahihiya magdagdag or maglagay ng maraming butter kasi yun po ang magpapalasa. Okay?
This is the sauce, so.
Yung pinaka-sauce po niya yan. Okay, babalik po kami kapag po ilalagay na po natin siya dito sa kumukulong corn and potato. Alright, sabi po ni husband, additional also na ingredient ay brown sugar. Okay, about a spoonful overflowing. Alright, and then ilalagay na po natin ang
Chorizo.
chorizo. Ayan. Sausage. Okay. Then tatakpan ulit. Babalik ulit sa sauce. Alright, so babalik po tayo dahil lalagyan po natin siya ng lemon. Okay, spread out lang po natin yan. Hindi natin pipisain. Slice and then put it on top. Okay. Okay, what's the next step, Daddy?
Dump in this.
Okay, and then idadump lang daw po natin lahat ng seafood na gusto nating ilagay. Ayan. So, may lobster. And then, ayan. Headless prawns. Alright. Magbabalik po kami kapag ilalagay na po natin ang, what do you call that one?
Sauce.
Yung sauce. Okie-dokie. Alright. Kanina guys, marami itong water. Okay, mga pinagkuluan na yung mga seafood. I-dump po namin lahat ng water. Did we dump it all?
No, maybe a lap cup.
Okay, so nag-iwan daw po si Honey ng, ng mga 1 cup of water doon. So ngayon ilalagay na po ni Hubby yung ginawa niyang sauce. Yan. Okay? Have to do it the other way. Okay. Sensya na po ang gulo. Gulo ni Hubby. So, ngayon, ayan na po yung ginawa niyang sauce. Ayan. Then, nilagyan po niya ng water yung pong pinaggisahan niya nung bawang at sibuyas. Ayan. Then ngayon, pakukuluan na po natin siya. Okay, babalik ulit pag ready to serve. Alright guys, so ganyan lang yan. Dire-diretsong pakulo. Pero, like I said, wag po natin i-overcook. Otherwise, masyadong makunat yung seafood na kakainin natin. Okay? High po yung aming fire. Yan. Mamaya, watch nyo ang aming mukbang.